Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to design a website using Claude AI. So we have a tool called Claude Code. By using that tool, I am going to create this website. So I just prepared a small prompt. I need some pages. It is a platform for a student and a tutor. If any student want to learn anything, they can come to this website and they can search for the tutor. Based on that, they can schedule a class. There are a lot of platforms are there. I want to create a template for your understanding purpose. Okay, don't worry. There are a lot of tutor student connecting platforms are there in the market. Just it is not about that. It is an idea how we can create a website, how we can take the help of AI to create your requirement. Let us assume this is my requirement. Based on my requirement, I am going to ask the Claude AI. In last session, we seen how to create the PPT using Claude. But this is Claude Code for coding purposes, especially for the developers. Okay. So if you have some time, please go through this prompt and if you want, you can modify the prompt, or else if you have your own requirement, you please prepare your prompt as per our requirement. Now let me copy the prompt. So extra notes, if you want, you can add it, but I don't want. Just I'm copying the thing. But now we have to create the project, right? Let me do one thing. So first you can create one folder in your system somewhere. I'm going to create one folder. Let me create one folder with the tutors. Yeah, just created a folder with the tutors. Try to open this folder with the VS Code editor. Yeah. Code dot. So here you can close everything. So there is nothing inside our project. Now, Claude Code, you already see how to add the Claude Code to the VS Code editor in the last video, in the setup. Click here, or else you see on the top right corner, you have Claude Code, or else you can see the icon in the left side pan also we can see. Anywhere you can click, no problem. So now I'm going to close this. Yeah, now you can see, but in our project, we don't have anything. So now you can observe top right side, top right corner, Claude icon and Codex. So now we want to work with Claude. Sometimes you may see the icon in the left side pan also. You can click anywhere, both will say. Now I'm going to click here. Now you can see this is, you can click here. Otherwise, you can click here also, no problem. Anyone is fine, right? Both will same. Now you can see now what I'm going to do. This is not required. Just close this also. And what is the project you want to create? We have already prompt in my editor. Let me copy the prompt. I'm just going to copy the prompt, go to your Claude and enter the prompt here. Let us see. It will take some time to create the design and template, and please wait for few minutes or few seconds. Sometimes it will ask you the commands. Don't go away from the system. It will ask you the commands. You have to approve those. Yes or no, something like this. But we don't have any files in the tutors folder. Maybe this Claude Code will create some files and folders. Yes, all. But I asked it to create the project in React Next.js. But one important note everybody needs to remember here, I'm creating this project in React Next.js. But if you are very new to this, first, if you want to work with React Next.js, we need to install Node server. So already it should be there in your system. So you do one thing, go to nodejs.org, download Node.js MSI file, install it. It is creating some components like login, register, forget password. Very nice. Student login, tutor login, both. Okay. You see this here. So that if you are watching this, so that you will understand what this Claude AI is doing behind the scenes. In the prompt I mentioned, please use Bootstrap for designing purpose. That's why it is, I think it is installed Bootstrap. It is importing the Bootstrap CSS also. Now it is creating all the pages. What are the pages we have mentioned in the prompt? Those pages it is creating, I believe. So it added 985 lines of code, 100 lines of code, 204 lines of code like this. Okay, we can wait for a few more minutes to finish this job. It is updating in every page. Yes, hello. It is checking the build command also, whether the project that created by the Claude AI, is it working or not? Is the build is generating or not? I think we are done. See, it is giving the summary at the end of it. What pages it created, what it does in the each and every page. So now we are done with the project, right? Now it's time to run the application. But before running that application, can you see the SRC folder? So we have components, we have app. So inside app, we have about student, tutors, right? In the same way, we have some reusable components we are having here, Bootstrap, Client JS, Footer, and a navbar. Some JSs are there. Right. So now how to run this application? But initially, we created an empty folder, but this Claude AI completes its setup completely. Now let's run the application. Now let's run the command npm rundev to run this project. Yeah, application is running under the port number localhost colon 3000. Yeah, you can see the project. Now it is created because I mentioned dark colors inside that. That's why it created like this. If you don't like, you ask the Claude AI redesign with light colors. Okay, so now click on the find tutors. Yeah, this is a tutors page and with some filters on the left side. And this is of every tutor and the information and maybe about page. And you can go for students, student login and student registration. And for tutors also, we have the same thing. And here we have login. So welcome back. And here I have something called registration, right? So what I will do now, this is the template we got. Why I got this dark color combination means I mentioned somewhere in. So that's why it is getting this a kind of dark color like this. Let me ask the Claude AI, use the light and a dark color combination. Let's go to the Claude AI. I'm asking the Claude again, please use the light and dark color combination. The website looks full dark. It does not looks good to see. Can you please rework on the color combination? Let's hit enter again. Again, it will take some time. Let us see what it will do this time. I think it is finished. So let me check whether the application is running. Yes, application is already running. Now I'm in the home page. Alternative sections got added. This is looks nice to see. Definitely. Something you want to change the color combination. Yes, you can change the color combination, but it created an excellent layout, guys. Really, believe me or not. But it is completely responsive and mobile friendly, the layout entire, what it is created. So it's very nice to see. Find tutors and we have filter on the left side. We have tutors in the right side. Very nice. And we have about page. Fine. So you see how all this content got created. The AI is thinking and is creating for students. Student login. Yeah, we have. Fine. So here is the place in the logins and registration form. I hope this is not looks good. Now let me ask the AI to rework on it. So here, so for students, student registration form. So, okay, let me go to the Claude AI and let me mention the points. So, the color combination of navbar is not looks good in register and login pages of both tutor and student. Please rework on the navbar and also add some decent gap between the menu items. Here we can paste that screenshot also. I just take the screenshot and I'm just going to hit enter. Again, it may take some time. So we will wait. After this completed, we will go and refresh the page and we will check. I hope we are done. So let me go to the browser. This is the page. Now you can see the menu is looks good and there is a decent gap also. Find tutors and now about and for students login and the menu item is looks very nice, man. Previously it is not like that, but this is fine. Login and this is what for student registration. I think this is Okay, fine, it created. But if you want change this color combination also, you can just mention to the AI, it will create it definitely. So this is the home page of that. Some alternative color combination sections is added. Finally, but I'm very happy. Maybe the color combination you may like or may not like, but it created an excellent layout. So now you can see it is a responsive and mobile friendly layout also. It created completely, and all the content is getting adjusted properly. When you see this, how the sections are adjusting as per the device. Really, the best output if you want to get, your prompt should be very best. We can take this application to next level also. I mean, this is just design we did with React Next.js with the help of Claude AI coding agent. The next level is what? I want to connect to database. I want to insert all the students registrations data, tutor registrations data into the database. As an admin, I need an admin panel to view all the students, to view all the tutors. I want to see all the communication between the tutors and students also in the admin panel. So just my idea is not that, just I'm telling you, how can we use this Claude AI to do our day-to-day works? How can we finish, how fast we can finish our day-to-day works with the help of Claude AI? This is my agenda. Really, you also try to use the Claude AI. Really, you will enjoy it as a developer, as a learner also. What I want to say, by using these AI tools, coding agent, the Claude AI, earlier we did a video with Codex coding agent. Ultimately, by using these AI tools, how fast we can create the websites. Not only a website, any type of development work or anything, Claude Code, especially for coding, it is a React Next.js, not only React Next.js. You want to implement backend for this, you can implement in Java, .NET, Python, anyone you can choose it, we can implement it with the help of Claude AI. Not only Claude AI, other AI agents also, but this is one of the best AI agent for coding, Claude Code. Really, it is doing very nice job. It is giving more trustworthy template. 90-80% of the work it is finishing in the first draft itself. Anyhow, thank you very much. I hope this video may helps you a lot. We will see you in another exciting video. Thank you very much.